Hello guys, in this video we will show how to see your CPU, or I mean processor, like the heating speed or like temperature of your component. So actually we need to go here, right click, then task manager, and you need to go for performance. Then if you just check your CPU, you will have this thing of amount. If you don't find the CPU, because in my case I don't find it, if you don't find the temperature and so on, so actually what you need to go, which is you will go to the browser, then press #w, and you just need
In seeing what the artist is saying.
all what you need to do is just press it to install it. So I will proceed to install this. Just launch it. Here you will choose like full mode, or the chancer is only, summary only, memory only. I will just full mode and start. So it's gonna be examining the system configuration, which is flashing buffer is called. I will wait to contain all the informations. So guys, after all the confirmation about the full information, you will have this windows, which each one of it you will have the full specification for each component that you have in your computer. So after that I just close those. I will go for sensors, and then you just do not monitor. I don't want that. Then you will find your CPU, which is you will have a lot of information here. So you'll find that it is the core temperature, which is gonna be 40 or 46 to maximum 54. So that's it guys, how you find the temperature of your CPUs using this software. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.